Oh.
Thank you, Coco.
Disney.
Got both our bags per usual. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you haven't been here before. Today in this video we are in beautiful California.
SoCal.
So yesterday we flew in at around 5, something like that. So we were just getting ready, driving around. We went to the beach and saw the sunset. It was the most beautiful thing ever.
First sunset over the ocean, Pacific Ocean that is. Gotta hurry up for the sunset. You can get a couple of them. Alright, so actually, technically, this is not our first sunset over the ocean. There is a mountain ridge right behind where the sun's setting, but it's just as beautiful. But if you want to be technical, it's not the first sunset over the ocean. But it's still immaculate. It's so beautiful.
Still counts.
So actually, backtrack that last statement. We were wrong. The sun set it. Those were not mountains. Those were clouds, and the sunset right over the ocean. It was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my god! Like, I'm shocked.
Hey,
we're just in the moment.
No words. Palm trees right behind us. Sun setting. The clouds. The waves. I love California.
Love you, Cali.
I love you.
SoCal.
SoCal, baby. Our first time touching the Pacific Ocean.
Our first time touching the Pacific Ocean. It looks chilly, it feels chilly, but I'm excited.
I'm gonna just wait for it to come to me. I'm scared.
Here she goes.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Shit. It's not back though.
It's not?
No!
Well, let's get in.
And now today we're driving into Anaheim to go
get ready to go for Disneyland.
Get ready to go to Disneyland.
Dang, well, I think we're gonna go see the beach one last time, and
we're gonna go see the beach one last time. We're just gonna drive around, and we have been living for California so far. I would literally live here if it wasn't so expensive. It is so beautiful.
We are in SoCal. My first impression, I would say it's a bougie Puerto Rico, a very bougie Puerto Rico. But we only been in the nice parts, so we're trying to see what the
roughness. Okay guys, so we made it to Huntington Beach. This is about like 15 minutes from where we were staying, and it is so cute. They have a little pier, so we're gonna go check out what they have. It's beautiful outside, it's sunny, it feels so good. Love Cali.
Only in Cali.
Only in Cali. Baby, he's like, why?
Street market.
That was cute. I rated it a 10 out of 10. Or okay, hold on. I bring it back. Let's bring it back. Let's rewind.
You ever gave something not a 10?
Yeah, that's true. But I rated it a 8 out of 10. We did get a magnet, so that counts as something.
There you go. Perfect. Okay, ready? You got to
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Fly, Coco, fly. Hey, Coco, fight. Be nice. Do not fight. Be nice. Good girl. No, she will bite you. Okay. Yeah. But that's Coco. Come on, Coco. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Fly. She likes you. Come on. Let's go, Coco. Fly. Come on. Good girl. All right. That's Coco. See? Say hi, Coco. Say hello. Say hello, Coco. Yeah. Say hello. All right. Hopefully she will fly to you and not ready. Coco, fly to him. Good girl.
Oh.
Go. Back. Come on, Coco. Let's fly. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Yay, Coco.
Thank you, Coco.
All right.
That was a beautiful view. But this is the best view.
Hi guys.
You like Huntington Beach so far? Or Cali in general?
I love Huntington Beach. It has been so beautiful.
The people's been so nice. Everyone, I don't know if everyone we talk to is from here or they're visiting just like us, but it's just been a warm welcome.
Everyone has been really sweet, really nice. Walking down this pier has been just so beautiful.
I mean,
with the
you look
waves,
at this. Look at this view.
the surfers.
Can't beat that.
There's millions of surfers out here. I'm not even joking.
Are you sad that we might be leaving the ocean possibly?
Yeah, but we have a lot of fun things in store. So
And maybe it's not the last time either.
it's not the last time, so stay tuned.
Welcome to our home for the next 3/4 days. I don't even know. I'm gonna show you around a bit. What you're gonna go order here right behind you is this beautiful kitchen. This is not your normal hotel, okay? This is way more advanced than your normal hotel. It has your own sink, stove, oven, microwave, freezer, and fridge. See, sometimes you only in hotels you only get one. Sometimes you get both of them here. Got your own blender, coffee maker, all this cabinet space. You should be comfortable, and it comes with its own dishware. When does a hotel come with its own dishware?
Wow.
You come this way. This is my grandma, my beautiful grandma. The reason why we're here, because of mods. We're gonna be using this sofa. We heard it turns into a bed, a convertible bed. Hopefully it's comfortable. You get your own speaker, TV, sound system. Can't beat this. This is way better than the hotel. And I'm pretty sure that's the sunset we saw last night on that picture.
Yeah. Oh, you would not believe this video I'm taking right now.
It's pretty much close. And look at this view we got. Anaheim, California. Last but not least.
Right.
The spacious restroom. Look at this. I can do the whole jumping jacks.
Oh, not the burpee.
So much room.
Very nice, very clean. Bathtub. They supply.
Restroom, very big bathroom.
Conditioner.
Spacious. There we go. We're in the city of Disneyland, Anaheim, California.
Which I'm so excited for. That is gonna be tomorrow. We're gonna show you all the fun things there. Maybe we'll eat some, we'll drink some, show you how it actually is.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little worried of how many people's gonna be there.
Same.
Cause I've been seeing videos, especially during spring break, of how packed it is.
Damn.
But you know, I'm gonna go with the open mind and just enjoy
We're gonna
it.
be positive.
I think we're gonna go towards the night, right? The evening?
Yeah.
So we can catch the fireworks at night and stuff. I don't wanna go during opening but California
has been amazing.
Beaches, mountains, palm trees, drinks,
People.
beaches, people,
Vibes.
beaches, vibes.
What the?
See this beautiful car I'm driving? Once again, I'm shouting out my favorite company, Turo. Turo is an amazing app. It's basically like Airbnb for your cars. You can rent out people cars, and it's super cheap, super easy. You don't have, it's affordable. You don't have to.
No hassle.
You don't have to go to no thing. It's so easy. You download the app, you pick out what car,
Personal
you pick out your
drop-off.
insurance, personal. You don't have to contact, you don't have to talk to the person you're getting your car from at all. It's so easy.
And you get to choose your drop off.
You choose the time, you choose your drop off, you choose your location, go to no everything. Everything's easy. We believe everyone should be enjoying this. This is not a sponsor. I truly, deeply in my heart, think this is an amazing app. We believe everyone should be enjoying this. All right, guys. So if y'all not familiar with the Coastal Highway, Highway 1, we've drove a fraction of it, but it is one of the most beautiful highways to drive.
It was beautiful.
It was amazing. It's literally what it sounds like, the Coastal Highway, Highway 1. We drove southbound towards Laguna Beach, through Laguna Beach. And man, like, I can't believe people live that lifestyle. Like, that's, I just can't comprehend that in my head. Like, someone living like that.
Everyday life.
Everyday life. Like, that was, it was incredible. The strobe lights too.
Pretty. I got a good video.
I didn't hit no one.
Good job. Cheers.
So this is day 3 in Cali. It's the big day. We're going to Disneyland. It's raining, you know, we're just taking it easy, taking it slow. We're gonna go late in the day.
To Disneyland.
To Disneyland. They close at midnight, so we're gonna be there all night. There's no reason to be there in the morning.
So we're excited. We have our mimosas here to start the day.
We're relaxing.
It's 12 o'clock. And we will see you guys
We're
when
gonna
we're
go hard later.
ready.
Finally made it to Disneyland, guys. Super excited. Just made it through checkpoint. Our bag made it through. Our camera made it through. We was a little worried about the tripod. You know, if you look at the rules and stuff, it's a little strict, but we made it through. I mean, like, wow, just let's go.
Let's explore.
That's Cinderella, not Tinkerbell. Oh. I know my princess is part of All right, so we're here in Disneyland, Anaheim, California. You know, one of my biggest fears was being too busy. I was afraid there was gonna be too many people here. We was gonna be shoulder to shoulder. There's a lot of people here. It's Saturday, I ain't gonna lie, but it's not that bad. It's more spacious than I thought. You know, we got room to walk. It's way better than I thought. You know,
Same, I agree.
It's working out. Perfect.
I can have this.
Walt Disney. You got the princess. You got Walt Disney, and you got Cinderella Castle. We're gonna attempt to go through there.
We're going to the Castle Girls. We don't have a map, so we really don't know where we're going.
We don't know what's going on.
But we're just going with the flow.
I don't know where all these people came from, but they came out of nowhere. There's a lot of people. It's still not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it's a lot of people. There's a lot of people.
And they have people that are dedicated working to direct all the traffic, so it flows really good. It's not bad at all. Like, it's not congested.
Yeah, for sure.
It flows. They have people. I don't even think we're supposed to be standing here. We're probably breaking the rules.
And I don't think we're finna ride a ride. She said she didn't want to ride a ride at first, but now since we're walking past her, she wants to ride all these rides.
But the lines look long. Like,
it's gonna take about 2-3 hours.
Yeah, so we're probably not gonna ride a ride.
Maybe later in the night, we'll see.
They close at 12, which is shocking.
We'll see. For Disney, yeah.
Let's go.
Six Flags, you gotta step it up. 10 a.m., 10 p.m., you serious? You serious? Alright, so originally we went into Disneyland. Okay, that's what just assumed the right thing to do. Go into Disneyland, part of the park, you know. But one of the big things we want to hit is Marvel. Yeah. And we learned Marvel is in California Adventure. So
we have a map now.
We finally found a map, so we know where we're going. So now we gotta leave Disneyland, go across and go to California Adventure so we can catch Marvel before everything closes, because That's one of our top priorities, Marvel. So
Let's go.
I wish I had some Marvel music. What park are we in right now?
Okay, so we just came from
Disneyland.
some, and then so we had to ticket out and then ticket back into this park, which is Adventureland. So we heard that Marvel is here. We're not 100% sure. We're just walking around. This is really fun. They have like 10 different parks. Like I can't even tell. Like this is as confusing to me as it is to you. But it's really cute here, and we're gonna try to find some food, some drinks, and
Marvel.
let's go. And Marvel. Taste test.
Barbecue pulled pork mac and cheese. Let's see.
Good?
It's pretty good.
Don't laugh.
It tastes better than it looks.
We found Adventureland! Please don't copyright us. He will save the world.
You saved the world, Lexi. Only 3.5 million people died.
It looks really good.
So we got the not too little chicken sandwich here at Prim's Test Kitchen. As you can tell, it's not too little.
Well, and also,
And a beer mimosa. Let's try the beer mimosa first.
okay, beer mimosa, test try.
We saw her put the orange juice first and then the beer. I'm excited for that. I'm actually a little bummed out about that because
It's not strong enough.
You kind of paying half for beer and half for orange juice. But let's see. Ooh.
Good. Does it have
Okay.
mimosa in there?
That's some strong beer too.
For you
For
can taste
halfway
it.
orange juice,
You can
that's some
taste it.
strong beer.
Okay.
I don't even know how we're gonna eat this.
Wow. Good.
That
It
sauce is
looks
banging.
good.
I know you're ready to dig in, so get your bite. So we got the blue Hawaiian, made by Ant-Man's dad himself.
No, not his dad.
Oh,
his dad-in-law.
Let's see what it tastes like. It looks like an Adios.
Cute.
If you ever been to a bar and you got an Adios, I'm sure you didn't remember that night. Ooh. Now I know why they told us we can't put no ice in there.
It was cool.
So I don't even know what to call the proper town we're in, Cars Town or Car City or whatever, but at night, you have to come here at night. The lights are amazing, the vibes are nice. I feel like I'm in a diner in the 90s with the lights. If y'all know Don Toliver, I feel like I'm listening to Don Toliver, a music video type vibe. Like it's immaculate. It's beautiful. What's been one of your favorite parts about Disneyland?
I really like the Avengers Land.
That's the main reason why we came here.
Cool. And they had the good food and the good drinks.
Yep.
Honestly, we haven't even seen that much.
Daytime or nighttime better?
I think I like nighttime. It's a lot more of a vibe.
It depends where you're at too.
At Cars, the lights and the vibrant, all the neon lights at night, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. So I guess it just depends where you're at, but at night too, it's just as good as during the day.
Yep.
I would say.
That's a lot of walking.
You guys definitely need to prepare.
Bring your walking shoes.
Bring your walking shoes. They have a lot of seats though where you can take a little rest.
So first we went into Disneyland, the actual original part, the Disneyland. And then we went across the street, or I don't even know. It's not even the street. It's all
like
connected.
It's
all connected, but you still a different park. And we went into California Adventure, and that's where the Marvel was at. Cars. The water show.
Oh, the water show was awesome.
The Pixar, all the Pixar stuff. And now we're in downtown Disney. That's what they call it. It's just a whole bunch of fancy restaurants. It's all set up nice, beautiful area.
Jamba Juice, Starbucks.
But I think our night ends here. We're gonna start heading back. We got a 20-minute walk back to our hotel. But I had a good time.
Back with the goods.
So we ate at this food truck called Maggie's Tacos. It is in the city of Buena Park.
So it looks delicious. What do we get?
So we got uno pollo taco y una
quesadillas.
I forgot to say beef quesadillas. It came with these beautiful fruit side, cucumbers, onions, lime.
Wow.
And extra salsa. Damn. Getting everything but the taco wet. Damn. Was that your Cali street taco?
Whoa.
Authentic Cali street taco?
Everything is cooked to perfection. The meat. Oh my god.
Alright, the second thing we ordered was the quesadilla. Oh, that looks homemade.
Wow. The cheese. Oh.
They got that white cheese. The beef in it.
Wow.
Maggie's Tacos. Go check it out.
We rate it 10 out of 10.
For my first food truck, I'm gonna give it a 8. 8 out of 10.
That's really good.
8 out of 10.
That's super good.
We give out a lot of 10s
Yeah.
I'm really trying to actually rate things instead of being in the moment and giving it everything a 10.
I would say 8. I would say 8.
So I'm gonna say 8, and that's really high on my new scale. So don't go based off what I previously said. So we made it to another food truck. This is called Don Abel's Churros, and this is in Anaheim, right next to Disneyland. There's a whole bunch of food trucks. There's a whole bunch of food trucks over here, but we already ate real food, so we got some churros. This is the churrochinis. Yeah, churrochinis. They got strawberry sauce and leche sauce on it. So I'm excited. This costs $14.
Good.
Ooh, that looks like caramel sauce too.
Oh.
They're cold. They're not hot. They're so good though.
No.
All right, so that was a false alarm. Them churros were. Mwah.
We were just shocked that they were cold. I
just assumed. I never had a churro before, and I assumed it would be warm.
No, I think some of them are warm.
And so when it was cold, I was like, it's because we got a chicharrini.
Yeah.
And it had leche sauce on it. Leche means milk.
Caramel.
And caramel and strawberry sauce. So it was a cold churro thing. It was
But oh my gosh, it was still good.
I would give it an 8.
8
I would
out
give
of
it
10.
a solid 8. 2 8s back to back.
That's pretty good.
I think we're done for today. Last day is officially tomorrow. Today was the last full day. Tomorrow's the last half day. Our flight's at 5.
Yeah.
And we back in the DFW.